you and Thomas have created an agency for First Three.
Yeah, it's called First Three.
First Three Agency. And with this, do you see that like running these types of challenges, it can kind of show you, and I'm sure you, as you've done this through the past with so many different ways of you connecting with community, it opens up the door of who's out there that may exist and people that you could potentially hire in the future. So like, have you found that through submissions and been able to be kind of like put on to new creatives?
Yeah, and I'm sure you can relate. I think the reason why we don't know about these people is, I mean, you're self-employed and you're creative, and you know that like to be a creative isn't just to be the part of you're not just creating, right? You're networking, you're doing your website, you're doing all these other things that take a long time to learn, and honestly take longer to learn than the actual creative process, and sometimes are longer to develop. So we're kind of trying to remove that step of like, hey, we know you might not be the most professional person. We know you might not have the greatest social skills, or we know you might not be great at invoicing, or all these things that kind of take a while to learn, but you're really good at what you do creatively. You're really good at, making GIFs or GIFs or making videos or, shooting some crazy 30-second clips, whatever you're really good at. We want to just take that, and that's all you have to do. And we'll take care of everything else. And that's kind of the thought process behind the agency, is like, how can we enable these creatives to just create? And then we take care of all the emails, all the coordination, and all the stuff that like we don't necessarily enjoy, but we've learned over however long, as you can relate, 10 years being in the industry, you just know how to talk to people, you know how to email, you know how to get through all those things that maybe would be deterrents for hiring these people who are 18 to 24 or younger in their career that, do great work and do very good work that's worth money, and they should be paid for it. And that can be anything from a music video to a lyric video to a promo shoot to hey, we need you to come to this festival and create content. And we can really specify what kind of content is being created. Because we have such a big pool of creatives, we just reach out to them and say, hey, we need you in this place at this time. Can you do it? And it's just a lot easier. We just have like basically a database of people, and we'll train them. We'll figure out what they don't know, what they need to know for, going to a festival. Maybe they're really good at taking photos, but they haven't shot a festival before. So we'll teach them
another world.
Yeah, teach them how to pick up their past, teach them how to work with people, what to do, what not to do. All those things are just, we teach them if they don't know. And, some people need creatives in like Wyoming, and it's hard to find. It's hard to find them, but we have them, and we'll reach out to people that are wedding photographers and train them in music. And it's just fun.
Thanks for listening to this clip. Make sure to listen to the full interview, which is available on Apple Podcasts, Spotify, YouTube, and wherever else you listen to podcasts. Hit the subscribe button for more highlights and join our Black with No Cream private community for creators. Links in the description.